Unveiling the role of the Dungeon Master, a gateway to imaginative worlds. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines storytelling, games, and imagination. We're exploring the meaning and role of the Dungeon Master, DM. Whether you're a seasoned gamer, a novice in the world of tabletop RPGs, or simply curious about English phrases used in gaming culture, this video will shed light on what it means to be a Dungeon Master and why it's a term worth knowing. The term Dungeon Master refers to the organizer and participant in charge of creating the setting, story, and challenges in a tabletop role-playing game, RPG, most famously Dungeons & Dragons, D&D. Unlike players who control a single character, the DM controls the game environment, non-player characters, NPCs, and the narrative flow. The DM's role is crucial for crafting the game's world, presenting challenges, and facilitating the story that unfolds during play. The concept of the Dungeon Master emerged with the creation of Dungeons & Dragons in the 1970s. Gary Gygax and Dave Arneson, the creators of D&D, introduced the role to guide players through adventures, making decisions that shape the game's universe. The term dungeon reflects the game's fantasy settings, often involving exploration of underground labyrinths, while master denotes the individual's authority over the game's environment and narrative. A dungeon master wears many hats during a game session. Key responsibilities include storytelling, crafting and narrating engaging stories within the game's world, rule arbitration, interpreting and applying the game's rules, world building, creating the setting, lore, and background of the game's universe, adjudication, making impartial decisions to resolve conflicts and ensure fair play. Being a DM requires creativity, impartiality, and the ability to adapt stories based on player actions. It's both a challenging and rewarding role. Anyone interested in becoming a Dungeon Master should start by learning the game. Familiarize yourself with the rules and mechanics of the RPG you wish to lead. Practice storytelling. Develop your narrative skills and ability to think on your feet. Communication. Learn to effectively communicate with players to make the game enjoyable for everyone. Feedback. Be open to feedback from players to improve future game sessions. Becoming a successful DM doesn't happen overnight. It takes practice, patience, and passion for the role. Being a Dungeon Master is a unique blend of storytelling, game design, and improvisation. It allows individuals to create immersive, interactive experiences for players, fostering creativity and collaboration. Whether you're interested in becoming a DM or just learning about this intriguing aspect of gaming culture, we hope this video has provided valuable insights into the world of tabletop RPGs. Thank you for watching, and may your adventures be legendary.